Today we will discuss about the working of refrigerator. Firstly we will discuss about the parts of the refrigerator. There we have a compressor which will compress the gas. There we have a condenser which condense the gas or change the phase of the gas. There we have a expansion valve which will lower the pressure of the gas. And last one is the evaporator where we want to cooling effect. These are the four main parts of the refrigerator, and these are the connecting pipes of the refrigerator. Now we will see the working of the refrigerator. Gas used is HFC 134A in refrigerator. Now what will happen, compressor will start working and it will compress the HFC 134A gas and increase the temperature of gas, and it will evaporate. High pressure and high temperature gas will be generated or vapor will be generated of the gas. They will send to the condenser. On the condenser they will be condensed in the liquid form, and this liquid form, there we can get liquid form of these vapors at the same temperature. This condensing liquid will go to the expansion valve. Expansion valve, this is the condensing liquid. Expansion valve will lower the pressure of this condensing liquid and send it to the evaporator. Here this condensing liquid will take the heat of the surrounding and convert it into vapor. These vapors again go to the compressor and the process will repeated again and again. This evaporator section will be cooled by this heating absorption effect. This is the process of working of the refrigerator. Thank you.